Hello, learners. Welcome to the next lesson on advanced pronoun usage. Today, we'll explore some advanced ways to use pronouns to enhance our writing. Pronouns can be used to avoid repetition and maintain clarity in writing. Advanced pronouns can be classified into the following: indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, and intensive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to nonspecific people or things. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are everyone, nobody, anything, and something. Reciprocal pronouns indicate a mutual action or relationship. Some examples of reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Intensive pronouns emphasize a noun or pronoun in the same sentence. Some examples of intensive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, and herself. Let's now practice these concepts with some examples. Here is the first example. Blank knows the answer. The correct answer is everyone knows the answer. Here is the second example. They hugged blank after the game. The correct answer is they hugged each other after the game. Here is the third example. I blank finished the project. The correct answer is I myself finished the project. Here is the fourth example. There was blank left in the room. The correct answer is there was nothing left in the room. Here is the fifth example. We blank are responsible for our actions. The correct answer is we ourselves are responsible for our actions. Let's recap what we've learned. Indefinite pronouns refer to nonspecific people or things. Reciprocal pronouns indicate a mutual action or relationship. Intensive pronouns emphasize a noun or pronoun in the same sentence. They help add variety and depth to our writing. Great job today! Keep practicing your advanced pronoun usage. See you in the next lesson.